How to extract audio from video on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and open the Shortcuts application on your device, and Shortcuts is an inbuilt application of iPhone, so you will simply find it in your app library. Now, once you have opened the Shortcuts application on your device, tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen, and now firstly go ahead and rename your shortcut. So in order to rename, tap on the new shortcut drop down you see there, and you will see the option for rename. So tap on it and then go ahead and rename your shortcut to extract audio or something similar. Now, once you have renamed your shortcut, tap on the done option you see there, and now once you have renamed your shortcut, tap on the info icon or the eye icon on the bottom center of your screen, and then toggle on the toggle button for show in share sheet option you see there, and then tap on done. Now go ahead and select this images and 18 more option you see here, and then tap on the clear option on the top left of your screen and make sure to toggle on the toggle button for media only. Once done, tap on the done option on the top right of your screen, and now tap on the search action option you see there and search for encode media. Here, tap on the shortcut input drop down you see there, and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for audio only, and then go ahead and make sure the M4A option is selected, and you can also choose your speed if you want. Once done, tap on the search action option again, and then go ahead and search for save option you see there, and then tap on the save file option you see there, and then make sure it is selected to encoded media, and then tap on the encoded media drop down, and then make sure to toggle on the toggle button for ask where to save. Now tap on the done option on the top right of your screen, and as you can see here, the extract audio is ready. Now go ahead and open a video in your iPhone, and then go ahead and tap on the share icon on the bottom left of your screen, and if you scroll down, you will see the option for extract audio. So tap on the extract audio option you see there, and you will then see the files open up. So go ahead and select the folder where you want to save the files, and now if you go ahead and open files on your device and then open the same folder, then you will see that the file has been saved. So this was about how you can extract audio from video on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.